My name is Jillian Paige, and I'm the creator of Meisner in Music. I created Meisner in Music because when I discovered the Meisner technique for myself, acting was revolutionized. I couldn't believe how freeing this technique was. I realized that singers of all people needed to get out of our heads when we sang so that we could be free to make discoveries and live truthfully in the moment. The skills we use in Meisner in Music can be applied to any song in any scenario, which is why I love teaching it. Over the last few years, I've taught Meisner in Music to people ranging from recent college grads to Broadway professionals. And I've developed a standalone workshop that is catered to universities and colleges and can be transferred virtually or physically. In our workshops, we jump right in with the Meisner technique of repetition, helping students to trust their impulses and learn that they are enough moment to moment. My favorite moment of the workshop is when students bring the liberating repetition exercise into their singing. You can feel everyone hanging on to their every word and the student just feeling this paramount amount of truth in their singing. It is thrilling to watch. In the workshop, along with repetition, we talk about how to sing to a blank wall, how to prepare emotionally, and how to come to the door with all of that emotional fullness. A student from a workshop I did with the University of Colorado last fall wrote me afterward and said, "Thank you for giving me a space to release more than a year's worth of emotion." Our mission is to help artists heal through song, trust in their voices, and learn that they are enough.